Hello and a very, very warm welcome to all of you. Today, my topic is self help books. Today is International Friendships Day. My request, my plea to all of you is on this International Friendship Day, make books your best friends. And all these books, self help books, happens to be the best. One says that you refer to these self help books only when you are in some trouble or you are in some sorrow or something. It's not like that. You see, as of in today's world, what is happening is we need to keep our self motivated all the time. And finally, it is the mind which plays the game. We get tend to get demotivated. We tend to get sad, but what happens is in the long run, we are not the only ones who have been in certain situation. There are lots and lots of people who have already been in this situation. That is why we study history, no? Social studies is included in a child's syllabus right from the very beginning. It is because the people realize the essence of learning history. These self-help books are what? These self-help books are the experiences basically of certain people. The experiences which they share, the experiences which they tell you. Tuesdays with Maury was by Mr. Mitch Albom was one of my favorite books. Have a Little Faith, again by Mr. Mitch Albom. These are the various self-help books which have really helped me a lot. So this the moral of this like this video is, let's innovate, let's learn, let's not our mind play the games. Let us play with the mind. Let's learn, let's be motivated, let's be satisfied, and let's be happy, because you see, it's an amazing and beautiful world out there, right? So, the moral of the story is, let's meditate, let's read books, love yourself, develop certain hobby. And of all these things, one of the most important thing is me time. You see, all of us, we dedicate ourselves to others. If you have children, that's okay that you play and all that stuff. But if we come to we being women now, we dedicate the entire day to make some people happy, to make our family happy, to do their work. But me time is the most important time. You have to find time for yourself. You have to think about self. You have to learn about yourself. As we say in Hindi, Har Har Mahadev. There is Mahadev, there is Lord Shiv in all of us. And if we don't respect the Mahadev, if we don't respect the Shiva in us, we cannot make others happy. You have to first make yourself happy. You have to first love yourself. So, some of the famous self help books, so says the Google, not by me, is The Alchemist by Paul Coelho, The Seven Habits of Highly Effective People, The Power of Now is a very good book, Rich Dad, Poor Dad, The Power of Subconscious Mind, where we tell you that even though if we are, your mind keeps on playing games, there's certain things which are going on continuously in your mind, so how you can control them, how you can keep yourself very stable. And of all these books, The Secret by Rhonda Byrne is my favorite book. I'll tell you why. This is just because the only reason this book is my favorite book, because it is based on the thought that whatever you really want in life, if whatever you really think in life, if you think about it in a positive way, the entire universe conspires to make it true. This is the law of attraction. If you want to say, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a doctor, I want to be a doctor, it's not that you want to, but I keep on saying that. No, you don't have to say you want to be a doctor. All you have to do is you have to imagine yourself in future, and you have to imagine yourself being a doctor, helping out people, providing your services, and these are the vibrations you send out to the universe. And the universe don't see your actions and stuff. They see the vibrations which come out of your mind, and then they conspire to make it true. This was the one of the things in the Om Shanti Om movie by Mr. which casted Mr. Shah Rukh Khan. अगर आप शिद्दत से कुछ चाहें तो पूरी कायनात उसे सच बनाने में लग जाती है. And this is true. If we really want something by heart, the universe, it really conspires to make it true. So, my dear friends, this Friendship Day, make one of your books, any book, your best friend. Stick to it, follow it, and there'll be no looking back for you. All the best. Stay safe. Bye bye.